Okay, so we started working on Amazing Grace, and we're incorporating hammer-ons and pull-offs. So first I'll talk about how the music is written. It's we have a pickup on beat 3, a pickup to measure 1. This is in 3/4 times, so to count that in, you'd go 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1. Okay? But we made that into eighth notes. So we'll go 3 and 1, 3 and 1. And remember, our ands should be, if we were going to be strumming this, which we're not, our ands should be on in strokes and our out strokes are going to be actual numbers. So that would actually look like 3 and 1. But we're not going to do that because we're going to do a hammer-on with our left hand instead of doing the in and out strokes with our right hand. And that, we're using our middle finger for this. You could use any finger. If you're having a hard time, remember, it doesn't work as well if you have your hands real flat. You kind of want to get the top of your finger, you know, this part of your finger, and you just want to come down and not slowly, but kind of fast, like, because it's called a hammer-on because you're kind of coming down like a hammer. You don't have to hurt yourself though. Don't like jab your instrument. But if you come down too slow or too soft, you'll just mute the string. Just practice that. And practice doing it. You can do it fast, but really we want it to be 3 and 1, 2, 3, and, you know, so that's kind of, okay? And now the music has it written. We would do 3 and 1 going into measure 2, but we can avoid all this right hand stuff by doing a pull off. Okay? So we're getting 2 notes for this pluck. Which is pretty cool. You don't have to pull too far. You don't have to really yank the strings because then you'll change the pitch a little bit, but you'll get the hang of it. All right, so moving on. We added this, which is the middle string, we're on the 1st fret, the lowest string, we're on the 3rd fret. And then we're going to move to the 2nd fret of the lowest string. And then we go back. Here's that stretch. You can do it. And when you get to this big stretched out chord, remember to count. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. You can add that. That's actually the end of the song. So if I'm playing the entire thing straight through and I'm just incorporating these hammer-ons and pull-offs into those places that we talked about, then, you know, you've basically got the whole song. At the beginning again. back to the beginning. So there you go.